If you're having issues printing with your Epson EcoTank M2170, then stay tuned because today I'm going to show you a solution. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video, and today I've got the Epson EcoTank 2170, and basically this is a monochrome printer, so it only prints one color. However, if the print head gets clogged, you will not be able to print black. So if your prints are starting to come up with lines, faded, or you're just printing out blank pages at this point, I'm going to show you a method in this video on how you can actually solve that problem on your own quickly and inexpensively. So stay tuned from the beginning of the video all the way until the end of the video so that you don't miss any of the instructions. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, if this video ends up being really helpful and you want to show your support, you want to show your appreciation, you can actually leave a donation with the super thanks button down below. You can leave from $1 all the way up to as much as you would like. And of course, it's above and beyond, but it's always greatly appreciated. Now, what we're going to be using to solve this problem is my very own product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. This is a product that comes with cleaning fluid, 100 milliliters of that cleaning fluid. You have a 20 milliliter syringe, a very large capacity syringe. In the packaging, you actually will get instructions. You'll get those two items I just spoke of, and then you're going to get a bunch of attachments that will help you along the way with the process of cleaning and unclogging the print head. This cleaning kit is compatible with virtually almost all the printers that you could imagine that would have this problem. So this kit doesn't only work with this printer model, but it works with a variety of other ones. So this is the kit I'm going to be showing you how to use on this printer in this video. Now, there's going to be a link in the description below for this product. You can pause the video at any point and you can go down there, click the first link that's in the description below, and you'll be taken to a page where you will be able to purchase this product and receive it quickly so that you can get back up and running in no time. Alright, so the method in this video will save you money, will save you time, and will save you hassle of having to get a new printer, spend more money on ink, and the hassle of having to run around and do all of that stuff. You simply have to order this kit. It will arrive at your home, get everything ready with the printer, and you can move forward from there. One quick note, you are going to want to buy a brand new ink bottle because you're going to want to make sure that during this whole process, your ink tank is totally full with black ink. Alright, so why don't we get right into it and start this repair/cleaning. Alright, so getting right into the print head cleaning. We need to prepare the printer. That's the first step in actually doing the cleaning. So what you're going to need to do is you are going to print out a nozzle report. And while you're printing out that nozzle report, in the middle of that document printing, you're actually going to unplug the printer. We need to do this because the print head will move back and forth, but once you have unplugged the printer, it will shut down, of course, immediately, leaving the print head frozen in place wherever it is. If you don't do this step, you're going to be fighting against the print head, trying to get it in place, and you could cause damage. This way, it's in an unlocked position, and you can then move it freely wherever you need it in the middle. And you're going to want to remove that screw that is holding that top cover. That's the next step. That is the top of the print head carriage. We need access to the print head carriage so we can remove the cartridges that are in place. So basically the system works where these ink veins connect to these empty ink cartridges, and then from there it's transmitted down into the print head. So we need to remove all of that so we can begin working on the actual nozzles on the print head. Once you remove this top cover, you now have access to both of the cartridges. There are two cartridges because that's the most balanced way that this print head can basically push out ink and print out in an even manner. And so those ink cartridges need to be removed so that we have access to the nozzles. Once we have access to the nozzles, we're going to be able to clean them. Now, it doesn't end here. We still need to place a folded up piece of paper towel under the print head to collect all of the excess ink and excess cleaning solution that is going to be pushed out. So what you're going to need for this cleaning is, of course, you already used a small Phillips head screwdriver, of course, the cleaning kit, and the paper towel. So you're going to fold up your paper towel so that it is really, really thin, because this needs to fit under the print head. Once you get this paper towel under the print head, which you can do by laying it flat on the bottom there and then moving the print head directly over it, you want to get your print head in the middle of this folded up piece of paper towel so that you have the most coverage when you're actually doing the cleaning. Once this is in place, you can then move on to getting your cleaning kit prepared to use on the print head. So what you're going to need is two different attachments. There are about 5-6 attachments in this kit. You're going to need a small L-shaped clear plastic piece with the yellow piece. That yellow piece is going to fit right on the nozzle. This L-shaped smaller plastic piece is going to connect that yellow piece to your syringe tubing. Once that's all connected, you can then connect the yellow piece to the print head nozzle, which I'm going to show you right now. So you're going to take that yellow piece, and that should directly fit over the nozzle. There's only 2 nozzles, keep that in mind, and you're going to need to clean both of them if you're not printing at all, if you're printing choppy, if you're printing faded, whatever it is, you're going to need to clean both of these cartridges because they're both black ink cartridges. And so what you want to do here is I would do an entire syringe on each one of these nozzles. If you had black and then some color nozzles, then I would say you want to spare a little bit more, maybe do 10 milliliters. But because there's only 2 nozzles, you can actually push a full syringe through there. Now, something that might happen when you're doing this is you might feel some resistance. If you're having to put a lot of pressure on the print head and on the nozzle when you're applying this solution, you might have to warm up the solution and then come back to the print head and finish off the cleaning that way. Once you're totally satisfied with the cleaning, you can now dry everything off, make sure everything's completely dry, and basically put everything back together. Remove your paper towel that you had under the print head. And so you're going to allow 24 hours for everything to totally dry. You need everything to totally dry before you power anything back on. You want to avoid damage as much as possible. And to ensure that, you wait at least 24 hours. Once that waiting period is over, you can then power the machine back on, and you can begin the process of the power cleaning. The power cleaning is a very vital and important part of this process. It's before you print out a nozzle report or print out anything to see if this cleaning kit actually worked. What you need to do is go to your maintenance section, go to power cleaning, and really it's just going to give you information about power cleaning. To do the power cleaning, all you have to do is simply hold the power button and the question mark button down for 10 seconds at the exact same time. That is how you're going to be able to run the power cleaning. The power cleaning is going to take roughly 10 minutes to go through and cycle through the entire process. Once that 10 minutes is through, you then can test to see if your ink is coming back and printing normally again. Another very important step in this process is to make sure that your ink tank is totally full. I would highly recommend that you actually use remanufactured ink. It's going to be a lot less expensive. I'll leave a link for some remanufactured ink that's compatible with this printer down in the description below. That's going to be under the link for the cleaning kit. You need to be prepared for the printer to consume a ton of ink with the power cleaning. So now you want to print out a nozzle report, and this is going to show you if your cleaning was successful. If you don't have any breaks in the lines, any fades in the lines or anything like that, if it looks just like this report, then you have successfully, fully regained your print quality. Now, if for whatever reason it did not work, and you still have some breaks in the lines, and you still have some fading, then you're going to have to repeat this process over again until it is totally back 100%. I've done this many times. Some printers just require a little bit more attention, a little bit more of this process, and so don't be discouraged. You can do it, and just follow the instructions in this video. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Remember all the product links down in the description below. But that's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.